My preliminary task was a vital exercise to prepare me for the main task ahead. It taught me 3 crucial rules of filming, these being the 180-degree rule, match on action, and shot reverse shot. The 180-degree rule dictates that the camera can move along an arc on one side of the scene. If this rule is broken, it can cause continuity discrepancies and confuse the audience. The 180-degree rule can be demonstrated in this scene of my preliminary task, where my 2 characters are talking. In my opening sequence, I applied this rule when my protagonist is in the bedroom, interacting with the objects. You can see I never film a shot from the window side of the room, as not to break the 180-degree rule. My preliminary task uses match on action over 2 shots, this being character 1 walking in and sitting down, or either of the characters shutting the boot. Although these shots were 2 entirely different ones, the editing made it seem seamless and continuous actions. I used this in my opening sequence when my protagonist placed down her orange box to rifle through one of the previous owner's boxes. Again, over 2 shots, the action is presented to be continuous and natural. A shot reverse shot is usually used between 2 characters or a character and an object, but there are many other uses for the technique. In my preliminary task, I utilize this technique when the 2 characters are conversing. It's similar to how I use it in the opening sequence when my cultist is sacrificing the man. It goes from a shot of the cultist, then a reverse shot, so we can see what the cultist is walking to, that being the sacrifice. In my preliminary task, 2 of my shots had my car license plate in view. As this could cause privacy problems, I did a very shabby job of blurring the number plate, which did impact on the atmosphere. This taught me a vital lesson in mise-en-scene. As a result, in my opening sequence, I organised all of the areas I was to be filming in the house. This included stripping the bedroom of sheets, wall hangings, furnishings, and anything I didn't want to have in the shot. Not only does this help greatly with editing, but it helps sustain the atmosphere of the film, as there's no unusual objects that shouldn't be there for the genre. Another valuable lesson I have learned is the importance of planning. Without a detailed script, my preliminary task ran me and my actors several hours over schedule. This was mainly as a result of confusion over my storyboard and poor planning. My opening sequence showed me that with a script and a consultable storyboard, the filming process can be more fluent and efficient, saving everyone time.